60 things in 60 seconds your husband could do instead of watching TV. Cook, clean, cook, massage feet, your feet, picnic, bullfight, chop wood, put a top on, run, jog, walk, shave, help with homework, shave, Sudoku, shave, mow, declare his love, spoon, Greco-Roman wrestle, draw a bath, that, pick flowers, unclog the sink, wash the dog, wash the cat, brush his teeth, brush your hair, braid it, knit, shop with you, shop for you, feed the pets, answer the door, answer your kids' questions, read to them, something age-appropriate, take the bins out, take you out, chaperone, hike, dress in camouflage, ooh, play games, charades, make hors d'oeuvres, learn French, visit friends, travel, get a checkup, sing, play guitar, make wine, visit the zoo, visit his half-brother, grow a veggie patch, cover his ball patch, make tea. Because now, his favorite TV can wait. My Sky. TV on your terms.